Hello, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I will be making butter. You need an electric mixer and heavy whipping cream. Now, if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. All social media links are in the description along with my recipes. On to the video. The first thing you have to do is chill your bowl until it's cold. It helps the whipping cream whip better. After your bowl is chilled, you are going to add the whipping cream to the bowl. There's the whipping cream coming. This is heavy whipping cream. We're going to be turning it into butter. Now, all you gotta do is beat it on high. Then when the buttermilk starts forming, then you turn it to low. But right now it's on high. Whipping it on medium. On medium. Separating it into buttermilk. Transferring the butter over to here, and we're going to smush it down to get more buttermilk out. See, the buttermilk's going in a thing, and we just press it down like so. Or we're going to rinse it to get more out. But right now, we got some of it out, and we're going to do that with all of it. Now get that out and put that in a different bowl. We're going to squeeze it through some cheesecloth too. I'm going to wash it. You squeeze it until you get more buttermilk out. After it's squeezed, you're going to rinse it in cold water. You rinse it in cold water and squeeze it in cold water, and it'll get out even more buttermilk. The reason why you do it this way is because it'll make it last longer in your fridge. You shove it in a mold, make sure it's nicely packed. This is my Easter butter. I'll level out the bottom after I make sure it's nicely packed. And I'll get me a knife to do it. That way it looks better. You might be able to get another flower out of it when you level it. Now that I got them in the mold, we're going to freeze it. This is buttermilk. It's a byproduct of making butter. You can use it in cakes, biscuits, even coleslaw. So, or you could actually drink it. Your choice. What you want to do with this. I did the same thing with store-bought butter, but the unveiling is going to show you my homemade butter. But that's what it'll look like when it's done. This is the unveiling. The lighter ones is the homemade butter. The darker one is the store-bought butter. It seems like the store-bought butter holds its shape better, but you still can do it with the homemade butter too. or you can form it into a stick if you want. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and press the notification button. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you again. Have a good day.